For today's recipe, we will be making this delicious black pepper chicken marinated in Yoghurt-Spice. To make this chicken curry, you will need the following ingredients. Half a cup of plain yogurt, 2 teaspoons of black peppercorns crushed. You can use store-bought pepper powder as well. Salt to season. This could be half to 1 teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. 5 to 6 cloves of garlic crushed into paste or minced. This is used for both marination and cooking. 6 cardamom pods crushed, used for marination as cooking as well. 3 green chillies split into 2. 1 to 2 inch piece of cinnamon. 700 to 1 kg of your favorite skinless chicken parts. This can be a mix of drumsticks, breast parts as well as thighs. 1/4 cup of oil, you might need less so use as needed. 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 medium-sized onion finely sliced, a sprig of curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of tamarind paste. If you're using the pulp with seeds, soak 1 tablespoon of it in 1/4 cup of warm water for 10 minutes. Remove seed and use the juice. Half a cup of coconut milk. The first part of making this black pepper yogurt chicken is to marinate the chicken parts. If you are using frozen chicken, make sure that they are completely defrosted before marinating it. If you are marinating the chicken more than 2 hours, make sure the pan or bowl is large enough to fit into the refrigerator. Add the chicken parts into this bowl. Add yogurt, crushed peppercorns, salt, turmeric powder, half of the garlic and ginger paste, and half of the cardamoms. Combine the marinade with the chicken parts thoroughly. Cover with cling film and refrigerate for 1 to 2 hours. You can also keep the marinade chicken overnight. To cook the pepper chicken masala curry, first place a large pan over medium heat. Pour in the oil. Once the oil is warm, add curry leaves, onions, the rest of the ginger garlic paste, green chilies, cinnamon, leftover cardamom pods, and cook for 2-3 minutes until all the ingredients turn soft. This should take you about 5 to 7 minutes. Once you notice the onions turning translucent, add the mustard seeds. And immediately add the chicken parts without the marinade. Let the chicken sear until they turn light brown on both sides. Searing the meat until they turn slightly brown is the most important part of this cooking process. So make sure that you take your time in doing this. This might take 10 to 15 minutes, but if the chicken parts are thicker, it could take longer. While the chicken parts are frying, pour the tamarind juice over the remaining marinade in the bowl and mix. Now to this mix of tamarind and marinade, you can also add extra turmeric and pepper to give the curry more depth. Once the chicken parts are brown, pour pour the tamarind and marinade mix into the brown chicken parts. Once you notice the marinade has reduced, pour in the coconut milk and cook over medium heat until gravy is thick and covers the chicken parts. And this is your pepper yogurt chicken masala curry. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something new today. You can find the written version of this recipe and more recipes on my blog islandsmile.org. I'll see you soon with another great recipe.